Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Jumeirah Maldives, Olhahali Island. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Providing free Wi-Fi and a beach area, Jumeirah Maldives is located in Olhahali. The resort offers a tennis court, a fitness center and a garden. The accommodations features a 24-hour front desk, and organizing tours for guests. Each villa sits right on the beach or over the water with living areas accompanied with a flat-screen TV and a private pool. The breezy, spacious villas host a choice of spaces in which to eat, drink, relax from the rooftop relaxing areas to the sun terraces treating guests to panoramas of the Indian Ocean. The oversized private bathrooms with a bath and a couple's rain shower are all supplemented with an outdoor shower. Opportunities for drinking and dining range from the openly elegant to the intimately luxurious. Glow Restaurant is an international meeting point of creative world cuisine. Kayto guides you on a delicious journey through Peru and Japan, while Shimmers provides a feet in the sand, sea breezy scenario to take you from day to night. Add our famous Café Lounge and the sophisticated speak-easy charm of the Glow Bar, and the flavors of island life just got fresher. You'll find 2 swimming pools, a translucent overwater Talai spa, world-renowned diving, high adrenaline water sports, private yacht voyages, tennis and beach volleyball courts, or unwind in dedicated beauty spots for hatha yoga. The resort also conducts inspirational classes and expert-led workshops, with a forward-thinking kids club completing the offering. A uniquely exclusive paradise retreat, where breezy island living meets jet-set chic, Jumeirah Maldives is luxury beyond boundaries. For the first time in the Maldives, each residence is crowned with a magnificent private sky lounge. These high-life stages stretch playful imagination to their limits, enabling inspired indoor-outdoor living and a unique perspective on the planet's flattest country. It has an extensive private lagoon with accessible house reef perfect for keen snorkelers and a world-class puri diving center and water sports. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.